Hi all, welcome back to Rishan, super intelligent toddler. This video you will be seeing Rishan doing a water xylophone experiment. It's a fantastic experiment for the little toddlers and they have lots of fun, and at the same time they'll be learning about an important science experiment. So isn't it great? And yes, so Rishan did this experiment and in the end definitely wanted to do more of mixing of colors, so he had fun with that as well. So stay tuned to our channel for more toddler related videos. Every bottle is creating the same sound.
No.
So now we add colors in the water to make it look like a xylophone. There is no difference in between the signs, so it's just fun for the toddlers to see and enjoy mixing colors and see what happens. So here the experiment ends and Rashan's another fun element starts of mixing colors and doing whatnot things. So yes, it was fun for the toddler.